All right, welcome to lab number 5, create Blob storage in AZ-900. Again, we're already in our lab environment. And when we create a Blob storage in Azure, what we need to create first is something called a storage account, right? So again, that's not visible, or the Blob storage is not visible here, right? But storage accounts is. So let's go there. Let's create a new storage account. We're going to use a pre-existing resource group here. And then we're going to call our storage account, I don't know, storage account deep. That's already taken. DDEU. Yeah, for deepdives-eu. Cool. We're going to put it in East US. That's all right. We're happy with standard performance. And for redundancy, we only need local for this demo, right? And we can leave everything else as is and just create. All right, that is complete. So let's go to our storage account. Here you can see it. What we need to do for Blob storage is create a container, right? So that's here under data storage. Here are the different storage types that are available, and with blobs we're working with containers. So these are different containers from Docker containers. This is just literally just a kind of a holder of the data. There is a pre-created container here, $logs, that is used by the system itself. So let's create a new container. Let's just call it container1 and keep it as a private access. Perfect. Now let's maybe look for a picture of a flower. Right, blah, blah, blah. So this one, can we download from here? No. View image. And then save image as. So we have a flower in our downloads folder now. Let's try to upload that into our container. So if you go into container1, and then there's this upload button here on the top left hand side. Currently there's nothing in there. And then we just get that flower from our downloads folder. There are things that we can change here. For example, the block size that is being used by blob storage here, or blob storage here. But for our purposes, we don't care. We just upload the file, and now it's there. So you can see different kinds of data about it currently. And then in addition to that, there is 3 dots here that allow us to do all kinds of stuff. Like, for example, rename the file as well. If we go back to our storage account over here, one thing to look at is diagnose and solve problems. It will allow you to, troubleshoot directly from the UI here. There is a list of common problems that are, that is available here. So kind of go through that if needed. And then further on, if we go down here on the left-hand side, there is a monitoring setting that has a blade called Insights. And here we got information related to our storage account, right? So, for example, what the availability is how many transactions we've done, what kind of latency we're seeing, and so on. But that's that. We've created a storage account and a Blob store container in it. We uploaded some data there. So we're done with this lab. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next one.